Hey guys, I just want to show y'all this hoodie dress that I just made. This is Simplicity 9636. I added about 30 plus inches to it from the armhole down to the bottom of the dress. It is very comfortable, very cute. You can dress it up or dress it down. I want to dress it down. Maybe when I make it again, I'm going to make it in a sweatshirt knit or sweatshirt fleece. This fabric that I am using right now is French terry. It is really good, but I want a more thicker material for the fall and the winter, because this is going to be one of my go-to patterns. I love the size of it. Oh, and as I'm making this voiceover, I'm thinking of another way to make it in a different material as well. So yeah, I'm super excited for all of the to come hoodie dresses, because I love a hoodie dress. I do. So this is me just pressing the drawstring. I normally do not do all this part to my hoodie, but I said I'm going to do it because this is my first hoodie dress this year. So this is exciting. And yes, the shirt says I ain't one of your little friends. So I made that shirt last year. Mine says I ain't one of your little friends, and then in the back it says mom, and it has affirmations in there. And a Toonie shirt says my mom is one of my little friends. No, I'm an only child. My mom is one of my little friends. And so I thought that was really cute. But that's for real. That's true. I am one of his little friends, but not to a disrespectful way. Anywho's, so I had to clean out my machine, switch out the threads, and serge around the fabric. So those colors that I chose, which is navy blue and gray to serge this with, those colors actually really hit really good on this fabric. I didn't think it was going to hit that good, but it matches very well. But I ended up using like a beiges, it looks like a beige pink on the outside of the fabric, and that really matches as well. So here I am trying to figure out this buttonhole situation. The buttonhole would not work, so I ended up just cutting a hole in there, putting the interfacing on the back of it and cutting a hole and putting it through there like that. I did the no fray glue on there, and it's perfectly fine. So I'm good with it. And here I am putting my pockets on. I added pockets to the side. Is it my pocket? No, that's not my pockets. But I did add pockets to this hoodie. They don't come with the side pockets, so I added those. But that's the end of the dress. And here is the review. Okay, here it is up close. Hey. One thing for certain, two things for sure. I love to do a walkaway moment, but I never ever post them. But I do love to do a walkaway moment. Like, I don't know, I just do. But here I am actually just trying to get some pictures from this video. As I was recording, there was people stopping me, so I got these pictures. But you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.